Time for the Mirage room tour. Here it is. Here's a closet. Closet with some hangers. Here's a safe. You put all the expensive stuff, your bankroll, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4. Locked. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. And then here's the banyo. There's some nastiness. Shower. Shower pressure's alright. You know, it's not the worst. Little cubby. Some painting. Hello. Sink. Towels. They only give you 2 towels, 2 full-size towels, little makeup mirror. Little whatever. Drawers. Joining room. I think every room at the Mirage is adjoining. There's this guy who's just here. Queen room. Here's the mini fridge. Lots of gizmos. Technology kit. Shit!
That's not our one, is it?
No. It's right next to us. Here they come.
Oh, it's pretty late. We should start heading down.
Alright, let's finish this tour first. You get your double queen beds. All messy. Got your little nachos. The game going. Nice little computer desk here. Pretty nice. You can bring your laptop, do some business work, whatever. And you got a nice view. Better than average view. Oh, and let's show you inside the mini fridge. Here's where you get inside the mini fridge. Took some stuff. Took some soda, water, beer. This bottle of Patron, I think it's $30. Here's the room service menu. Prices aren't terrible.
Hey Jan, I love the Tundra I got last year. I'm here to get the new.
And that is the Mirage.